external characters of the Scoliodon.
Okay, so phylum of the Scoliodon, that is Chordata. Chordata means presence of nerve cord and the notochord. Subphylum is Vertebrata because vertebral column is there. Division is Gnathostomata because jaws are well developed. And superclass Pisces, that is all fishes that belongs to the superclass Pisces. Class is Chondrioctes because internal skeleton or the is cartilaginous. That's why the class is Chondrioctes. Okay, subclass is Silici. Okay, here it has scales, that wise organism has scales. Order is Pleurotremata because laterally compressed body, lateral gill slits and moderately sized fins. Okay, again Carcharinidae is the family, that is well developed nictitating membrane. Genus is a Scoliodon, that is spiracles and stitches are non-serrated with a swollen basis. The species is Saurochs. The base of the anal fin is more than twice length of the second dorsal fin. The geographical distribution of this fish is widely distributed, that is Sri Lanka to the Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Eastern Pacific, West Indies, eastern coast of South America. Now, the habit and habitat of the organism. As we already know that marine, this organism is marine, carnivorous, it feeds on the crabs, lobsters, worms and the fishes. Sexes are separate, fertilization is internal and development is direct. As we know that direct development, it excludes the larval development. The viviparity is there, so the organism that gives direct birth to the Scoliodon or the young ones. The body is elongated, okay, laterally compressed, tapering to the both end. So full grown measures about 60 centimeter. Body is divided into head, trunk and tail. So the neck is absent. Fins are a flap-like outgrowth of the body wall. Internally it is supported by the cartilaginous rod. So fins are paired and the unpaired fins are there. So pectoral and pelvic fins are the paired fins and median unpaired fins are there, that is anal fin, and the caudal fins are the unpaired fins, and then ventral fins also. Body division, as we know that again the mouth is a wide concentric mouth situated on the ventral side of the head, okay, and you can see here the tail. So tail is medium speed, for the medium speed, again asymmetrical because dorsal fin of this type of tail is longer than the ventral. No air bladder, that is air bladder is totally absent, and tail that provides the lift, and this type of tail that helps in the, that is downward movement. Okay, example is many sharks. Again you can see here the diagram, it shows the pectoral fin, gill slits are present for the aquatic respiration, mouth are there, head is there, eye is there. Eye again is provided with the nictitating membrane. Upper and the lower eyelids are immovable. Okay. Again, dorsal fins are there. So, dorsal fins are there, and this pit is known as caudal pit. This pit is known as caudal pit, and these fins are caudal fins. So, these fins are the caudal fins. Again, anal fin or the median ventral fin. So dorsal fin, this is the lateral line. So this line is the lateral line. So as we know that the lateral line is there. Okay. Again the color is different from the ventral surface to the dorsal surface. So on the dorsal and the ventral surface open several group of very small ampullary pores. That receptors are called as ampulla of Lorenzini. This receptor detects the temperature variation in a surrounding water. Again external gill slits. You can see here this is the external gill slits. Now the lateral line. As we know that this line is a lateral line. It extends longitudinally and it marks the position of the spatial receptor underlying the body and detects the wave and currents in originating in a water. Again, the cloacal aperture is there. So cloacal aperture is a common opening of digestive system, reproductive system and excretory system. And abdominal pores are there. So abdominal pores is situated on the elevated papilla on either side of cloaca. So this abdominal pore communicate with the exterior. Next is skin. The skin of Scoliodon, it shows the coarse texture and gives feel of sandpaper because the placoid scales remain embedded in the skin. As we know that the placoid scales having the spine and the base, backwardly directed scales are there. So trident scale is there, placoid scale. Again, as we know that it is like a sandpaper, so these placoid scales are the skins of the shark that used in a various purposes. So you can see here the skin of shark is used for the preparation of ornaments. Okay, so here this paper is known as shagreen. So the flesh is removed. After that the fish is sun dried, again digest in a acid. So curing, curing or demolding is a process from where we can get the shagreen, that is nothing but the skin of the shark that is used for the various purposes. If for example there is a question, what is a shagreen? Okay, shagreen is a skin of shark that is used as an ornament for the purpose of the ornament.